Lagos State is too much. Somebody has sustained injury. Look at my brother with the blood. No, I want to video you. My brother, let me video your face. Look at the blood.
One of the major reasons why we really need a change of power and a restructuring and, completely taking this government out of the old people is tribalism. Now, the Igbo tribe and even the West who are actually doing this thing, they suffer a whole lot in this country, but yet they're not seeing it. Today, this one actually happened in Alaba International Market here in Lagos, and they already declared a few days ago that they were all going to come out massively today for their PVC, to get their PVC, and somehow it became something completely out of the line, and that's what I'll be showing you in this video. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and don't forget to drop a comment. Now, they all came out massively to do their PVC and get their PVC, and the story entirely was different. See the video, don't forget to share a comment.
They are stoning them.
Tribalism.
The tribalism in Lagos State is too much. Somebody has sustained injury. Look at my brother with the blood. No, I want to video you. My brother, let me video your face. Look at the blood. There is no joy here. Yes, so Nigeria, you must hear this, and you must see what is happening in Ojo local government. In Igbo, they closed Alaba closed market because of this, and right now they don't want them to do anything. They don't want them to get PVC. Look at what is happening here, please.
I am still very short of words, and I really don't know what to tell you guys about this particular incident, but I will be very happy if you use the comment section and you tell what is really happening in Nigeria. Why are we still fighting ourselves to make things right? Like making things right, we are still allowing this one is Hausa, this one is Yoruba, this one is Igbo, to bring in that separation that is not supposed to be there naturally, because the country has suffered a lot. There is nothing that's actually working well here, and everything anyone is saying now is let someone who will actually look at the cry of the people, listen to the people, do the mind of the people, not just doing the mind of the people, going there to serve the country, working out things, making things right. Imagine if a dollar is like 100 naira, or let's say 70 naira to Nigerian naira. That would be nice. A dollar now is about 600 naira, and other things, foodstuffs in the market are skyrocketing each passing day. And these are the cries of major Nigerians, that someone who would actually see the future and actually work things out clearly should take over the power come 2023. Anyway, I don't feel that should be a means of discouraging those who actually went out there today to get their PVC. Actually, it should still be something that they should still go back and try again to get their PVC. Whether you are in the east, whether you are in the north, whether you are in the south, anywhere you are in Nigeria, you're supposed to feel very comfortable to get your PVC. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Drop a comment in the comment section, because we value your thoughts here and your comments here so much. Enjoy the video. See you guys.